Good morning, second grade. Today is Tuesday, May 25th, 2020, and Ashton, you're our weather person. So yesterday was Memorial Day. We did not have school, so I apologize that I put some work for you to do on Monday. You can just scratch that work. You do not have to do that work. If you really wanted to do the science spin, you could push it to sometime this week if you really wanted to read that science spin. It is pretty interesting about a geyser that shoots garbage. So I thought maybe you want to read that sometime this week if you want to, but you don't have to. All right, we are going to start with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this day to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. And now for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so Memorial Day. What is Memorial Day? You've heard about it because we always say we don't have school on Memorial Day. But if you want to learn more about Memorial Day, you could read about it. Maybe there's a book on epics. So I'm going to check that out and I'm going to assign a book if you would like to go on Epic and see if you can read about Memorial Day and find out what that day is all about. I'm going to teach a lesson in math today, so look for that on our class story, and it will be measuring lengths again, like inches, feet, yards, and then the metric system, which would be like centimeters, meters. And this time you're not measuring just two lengths, you'll measure 3 or 4 lengths. So you can be on the lookout for that. You also have a page, and I believe it's purple in color in your packet, called Story Map. So any story you've read, it could be Flat Stanley, it could be any book that you've read, will you please fill out that story map, working on what is the setting. Remember, setting is the place that it takes place in, and the time. So like, where and when is the story taking place? Who are the main characters? And then what is the story about? That's the plot. Plot means what happened in the story. What was the problem? How was it solved? Or is it nonfiction? And what was the story all about? All right, that is all for today. I think we will just meet again tomorrow. All right, have a great day, everybody.